Hello, in front of me I've got Realme C25Y. In this video I'll show you how to manage Google Pay app. Firstly, enter Google Pay. As you can see, this is the homepage of Google Pay. From here you can add a payment method and add different types of cards. Then, if you tap here, you got access to all your payment methods, participating banks, activity, settings, where you can turn on or off email updates, Gmail imports, personalization within Google Pay, purchase notifications, updates about your passes, offers and tips, and you can edit your account info. Next, you got contactless setup, which is unavailable on this phone because it doesn't have NFC, and help and support, send feedback, and at the end, access to your Google account. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.